Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1949 Ford F100. Gorgeous truck, guys. 2,700 miles on a complete frame-off custom build, and gorgeous. Love the color combination. This is, a lot of people ask, you know, like when I get a red vehicle, is it red, is it orange? This is a true fire engine red color on this truck, which is just gorgeous. Tan leather interior, that's all custom. You can see it's got 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels with the knockoffs, which I love. Truck sits great. Mustang II independent front suspension with tubular control arms. So it's just got a great stance, very nicely done. With 2,700 miles, the shakedown on the truck got to be, you know, pretty much complete. And like I say, just wicked cool. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. I've seen a couple of touch-up marks, you know, a couple little blemishes, which I'll kind of point out. And other than that, man, just a gorgeous truck. That's a bug there, guys. Chrome and stainless, you can see that stuff's all new. Get super slick paint, new glass. Those are electric wipers, so they've all been converted, they work. Gorgeous tan leather interior in it. It's got the custom wood bed in it with all the stainless slots. It also has a custom stainless fuel tank in it that's been relocated to the bed. These are functional. The tailgate does go down. It doesn't have the chains, which a lot of guys actually don't like because it kind of can mark up your paint. Custom roll pan here. Little touch-up mark there. Love these fat fender sides, man. It's got great lines. Again, 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialties with knockoffs. I love those. Truck's just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. Wicked cool truck, man. Love the wheels. Mustang II front end, tubular control arms, rack and pinion steering, power disc brakes. Open the doors up. This is a Ford Motorsports 351 Windsor crate engine. Aluminum heads, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intakes, got ceramic headers, all billet pulleys and brackets. You can see it's got a cool billet master cylinder on the firewall there, billet air cleaner, billet valve covers, HEI distributor, aluminum radiator with flex fan, C6 automatic trans. Nice truck, man. Detailed up really nice. Again, a couple, it's going to be hard for you to see. It's got a couple little blemishes on your hood. I've seen. But, again, just nitpicking the truck, man. They all got something somewhere, man. Again, dual chrome mirrors. It's got roll-up windows. It's got electric door poppers for both sides. It's got a pull cord, emergency cord for this side. All custom tan ultra leather, again, all billet trim. This is a tease design custom seat, which is very comfortable and actually is it's adjustable. which you don't see very often. All custom BDO gauge cluster, billet tilt column with a billet wheel, all billet pedals down there. Your vintage AC controls are in the glove box. It's radio delete, good sound and dual exhaust. It's got a 9-inch Ford rear end with not a big old rear gear either. It's a you know, like a 3.0 gear somewhere in there. Definitely something you can cruise. Again, gorgeous underneath, guys. Put mirrors under it, take it to a show. Blazing hot today, man. I'm sweating juice. Again, that seat is adjustable. That's pretty cool. That's removable. It's Velcroed on. It just covers up all the hoses coming in the you know, the cockpit. Just makes it nice. Again, nice carpet. Just all billet trim. Sound in 351. Click your air on. Air blows ice cold. Good. Like I say, just a really, really good running 351 Windsor freight engine. See if I can do this on with one hand. Oh, it's got an inside hood release too, guys. 2703 on your odometer. Again, all your gauges are functional. You can see it holds good oil pressure. Lights are there. Wipers are there. Go ahead and shut that door, Mike. Brake lights. Turn signals. Give a little rev. Good sounding truck. Again, not really much here. Your controls for your AC are in here with the VIN. Again, radio delete. It does have electric wipers. Like I said, doors open and close real nice. Wipers, those are electric. Headlights, turn signals. Horn. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is gorgeous, gorgeous truck, man. Fit and finish is excellent. I love it, man.